call vote shuffle team. Oh, look at you. Hang on, I'll come up there, I'll give you some ammo.
I got ammo
Oh,
here, but
you
it's
got
gonna
ammo?
run out soon.
Yeah, I
gonna
was
run
coming
out.
back to you. I couldn't find any spawn beacons over there.
Chopper.
And
Oh,
no
mate.
guys have appeared anyway.
Oh,
Fucking
fucking
again. Oh
hell.
my god, I've killed that guy so many times.
Fuck, that's a record. I recorded that one, man. That was sweet.
Yeah.
There's another
Fucking-
one too. Look, it's a field day. It's raining choppers on me. Come on,
There we
bring
go,
it to me.
here's some
Bring
more.
it to me.
No
Fucking
way.
Eat it. Yeah, hit him.
Hang on, I'll see if I can get him.
Fucking finish him.
Oh, he jumped up high. Come
Come on,
on,
hit-
swing
hit-
it, swing it,
hit-
swing
hit-
it, swing
hit.
it. Holy fuck, that was
Throw
close.
out.
No, he's still there though.
Watching. There's a guy spotted. Two guys.
Oh, I got
across
him.
The way. Infantry coming up the ridge. Watch out.
Where
Yep.
we?
Spotted.
Oh yeah, I see him. Sniper. Oh, he hit him just in front of his face.
I got one. There's another guy still
Oh
there.
yeah, I see him. Ooh, fuck, he hit me a couple times then.
There's an AA spamming us as well from their deployment.
Wonder why.
And there's two
Oh,
tanks
shit.
heading towards Bravo. I'm gonna try and hit them.
No, back off the other side of the ridge here. Something hit me
There's
then, I don't know
another
what it
guy.
was.
There, I just spotted him.
Yeah, hit him in the face. Eat it.
He's gone.
There's one more left.
I see him. There's two there
Oh,
actually.
he's damaged, yeah, I gained some
Got
damage.
one.
I got
Oh,
killed
I got
assist,
two
yeah.
of them with one throw. Oh my god, this is fucking ridiculous. I don't know how many throws I just hit in a row. That's
Oh
not right.
my god.
I don't know how I got up
Oh,
there.
look, two Hurleys. It's
Are you
fucking
serious?
Christmas. I'm gonna go. That first attack.
Oh yeah, I see him,
Transport
I
one.
see him.
Come on,
I spotted him, I spotted him.
Come on, Sorrel, do you think?
Yeah, I'll
Do you
come and
think?
give you
No,
some
it's gone
ammo.
spastic. I'm gonna abort and concentrate on the Viper. The Viper's the one that wants us.
Oh my god. What got me in the Viper?
Oh, I swear that hit. Holy shit. Come on.
Oh, he got me too.
Hit him. Yeah, he's gonna get me.
I'll spawn on you. I'll spawn on you.
No, he did.
Oh my god, that was so good.